This is Jurnex 101, where we explain financial concepts in 2 minutes or less. Today our question is, are stocks good investments? Now, are stocks good investments? The short answer is yes. When you look at investments, they should do two things. First is that they should have the ability to go up in price. Now this might sound obvious, but people call cars and jewelry investments all the time, but these things actually go down in value as they age. Stocks, on the other hand, can go up in price as the companies they represent become more valuable. The second thing good investments should do is generate some form of income. That's actually what makes commodities pretty bad investments. A bushel of wheat sitting in a warehouse is still a bushel of wheat after the end of a year. A farm, however, will keep on generating wheat year after year. So if you compare returns from gold and stocks over the past 100 years, it turns out $1 invested in gold would have turned to $5 today after inflation. That same dollar would have turned to $25 in the stock market. There's really no comparison. But what about risk? It's true that the US stock market has done incredibly well, but that's also because we've gone from a colonial backwater to the world's most powerful nation today. But that's not always the case. Two of the worst performing stock markets in human history was the Russian one during the Tsarist Revolution and the Chinese one during the Communist Revolution. In both cases, their stock markets went to zero as their economies collapsed. Remember, the stock market is just a representation of a country's economy. It's made up of companies and not of magic. Now, if you believe that American companies will do well and generate wealth over the long run, the US stock market is a fine investment. And if you're not sure this is the case, that's fine too. Just find markets that you think will do well in the long run to invest in. Now, if you like getting your financial information like this, give us a call. We are a no-nonsense financial advisory firm that gets straight to the point. Visit our website at jurnex.com or subscribe to our channel to get updates. And I'll see you next time.